Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you like cute little fish, or should I say a whale, I think you're going to have a real fun lesson doing this one. Well, before we start, like I always share in previous videos from time to time, what I like to do is practice sketching. Remember, go very light with your pencil on the paper, not hard very first, and do multiple sketches. And when you see the sketches that I did, the step 1, 2, and 3, you'll see that technique. It's not a straight line. It's sketching very much. That technique is something that is being not taught or explained the purpose behind that. And it's very critical to become a better artist, that you learn how to sketch. That's most of these videos that I've been showing on my channel, and I'll be continually making a lot more and some interesting ones in the future. Well, if you have some paper and you have a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.